Information is coming at us at an ever-growing pace. However, today we have AI to help us manage those information. Whether you're a student, entrepreneur or creator, tools like this will help you to be more effective and efficient in your day-to-day life. Now, while you can use tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, Claude and numerous other tools, there are also specialized tools that allow you to do that, and in this video I'm just going to cover one particular tool that I've given it a try. I'm going to cover NoteGPT, a tool that allows you to summarize information including things like YouTube, PowerPoint and etc. and help you to generate your notes. I'm showing you how to use this tool as a YouTube creator. However, if you are a student doing research or if you are an entrepreneur trying to do some market research on your competitors or any products as well, the process will be quite similar and you can glean the similar type of information for your use case. This tool is a paid tool, however you can try it for free and see whether it works for you. For me, I find that it is quite useful as I create YouTube videos for the reason that I need to do research and find out what's out there, and it is great at summarizing video. When you log into NoteGPT, you get something like this, and it allows you to summarize various things including videos, PDF, images, audio files, and you can also upload your own video as well, so it doesn't have to be online. However, there's also another way you can use it. So instead of say just summarizing a YouTube video that you have found on YouTube, you can use search to search for a particular topic. For example, let's say I want to look for the best note-taking AI app. I can search for here and let NoteGPT come back with videos. So I don't have to search outside of this tool itself. I can do it within the tool, and I don't have to switch from one tool to another. You can use say ChatGPT, which do have some advantages which I'm going to cover towards the end of this video. I can see how many views each video have, what type of thumbnails there are, and how long the video was made. So like for example, this video here has 123,000 views and was made a year ago, so it gives me a good idea when I'm doing research. So let's say I'm interested in this particular video, I can select this to summarize it and just click on summarize, and NoteGPT open like this, and I have a summary over here. Now there are various types of summaries that you can use. You can have a smart summary, you can have chapter summary, core points, and each of this choice will give you a slightly different outcome. You can also ask NoteGPT to summarize it in different ways, say for example with tables or contents and chapter, and you can also chat with this. So for example, if you have questions about the video, you can just ask it anything about this particular content so that the AI won't go off on a tangent, right? And of course you also have the transcript over here. Now let's get back over to this point here. Now one good thing about this tool is that there is a setting here that allows you to go for your default prompt. For example, you can choose a summary or you can choose smart summary depending on which stage of research you are doing. Okay, maybe you have selected 3 or 4 and now you want to go deeper, so you can go into a certain particular videos or material and don't waste time on the topics that you don't feel like it. Alright, and of course you can also select whether you want to go in depth or want it to be more brief. You can select all this, and you can also select the tone as well. So all this is at the click of your fingers. You do not have to say type in when you want to do your prompts, and all your notes that you have searched for will end up in YouTube notes, for example. These are some of the research that I have done. Now the other thing as well is that after you have summarized the points, NoteGPT not just help you to take notes, you can also create presentations. You can ask it to create PowerPoints for you. Alright, so I tested it with one of my own videos and this is what it came out with. Okay, and you can just check out, this is my previous video and you can also see it on my blog. So if I were to give a presentation, I can use this with some changes here and there, and I can create a presentation like this, just a PowerPoint presentation. You can also create things like diagrams and mind maps, so the tool is quite useful. Although I have some general ideas of what I want to cover for the video, want to have more ideas, I can go to an AI generator, which is something that I did. Now my videos are generally friendly, so I keep it as a friendly tone. My language is English. Write 5 ideas about NoteGPT. So here it gave me a review about NoteGPT. Okay, so something for me to stimulate my mind. What are things that I might have overlooked? Okay, so things like flashcard as well. So there are a lot of things that you can use with this tool. You can use it on the browser, or you can also install a Chrome browser extension. If you have installed the browser extension, right next to YouTube, you will have NoteGPT on the side here, and you can ask it to do your summary right beside this. So there are two ways you can do this besides just using the web browser. Alright, so it's here. You can also chat with that NoteGPT and ask questions about a particular video that you are watching. Alright, so on top of that, it is able to do flashcard as well and book summary as well. Alright, so in other words, this tool is quite a comprehensive tool. What about the pricing? About $15 per month if you're paying it annually, and monthly is $29.90. There is also a pro monthly account that you can try for $10 a month. So if you were to compare with, say, ChatGPT pricing, so ChatGPT costs about $9 for me. It'll be about $9 for me. However, for ChatGPT, you can use GPT-5. With NoteGPT, if you were to go for AI chat, it has the DeepSeek 3, DeepSeek R1, GPT-4, Claude, GPT 4.0, and all this is coming soon. Gemini as well. So it is not really a one-to-one comparison. There are certain things that NoteGPT does better. However, in terms of a different or more advanced language model, then we'll say that ChatGPT has a later model. So in summary, what do I think with this tool? I think this is a useful tool if you want to explore it. There is a free plan that you can try. If you haven't tried this, give this tool a try and let me know how it goes for you. And if you have found better tools, I would be keen to hear about this. Let me know in the comments as well. There are just so many coming out these days, it is hard to keep track of all that. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up and check out what's on the screen right now for other AI tools to help you in your work and in your life.